Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
I will not resign because whatever happened, it is not because
Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam daka National People's Party kabalangan haka singkan khait nakadaw kajingdawa jongki Nonghikai School Kontrak bantung kambiang eki haki School Lower Primary kalasyam mekarai haka nyau tarik urisau arjar arpuar ban ailat biang eki niki Nonghikai bakini khunnya ka Eksamin Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test kaban sa longshan daka ba Pynjlan no Ïakhun watkam kabalong kerpang tang nakabenta jongki tuki Nonghikai kibalapalat Ïakhun kabakal lai penyosnam. Sorkar kala syem ya kanigarai hadian bagi Nonghikai School Kontrak ki badan hapo ka syatri jongka Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School Contractual Teachers Association kila pelong da kajinga ki da kabatur pedba bat ki khon ki kti syaka main secretariat hakan riu tarik urisau arajar arpuar.
Yes, today I call a meeting of the person who are striking for the last many days to clarify the position of the government based on all the legality within the parameter of the law. Because this is not a new issue. The contractual teachers have met me several times since 2018, and at that time I make ample clear that Mtet is a reality. So kindly prepare for Mtet because it is a reality now. Because Section 23 of RTER has specified that appointment of the teachers for elementary education is as per norm prescribed by regulatory authority, that is NCTE. So NCTE has prescribed, but during this period of time, 2012, 13, 14, since many of the teachers in service teachers many have not acquired the minimum qualification. So the government, for those who have not acquired the minimum qualification of 45% for student right, we have given a chance to appear again and again and again the embossed exam so that they could attain the minimum mark of 45% times. Not only one, not only twice, I think 3, 4 times, 5 times we have extended. Number 2, since DLED also is one of the criteria for the appointment of the teachers, so the government of Meghalaya tie up with NIOS so that all the in-service teachers could complete their DLED through NIOS, and that also they extend time and again. And the last batch, which because the NCTE, the NIOS have given only few times for them to complete the 45%, but many, I should tell about many, some, they have passed the DLED, but they could not pass the 45% in time. That also the matter after the attempt, the NIOS had conveyed that they will be done. So in 2019, 18, when they will be, they told, sir, because many of us will be on the wrong side of age because we are over age. I told, don't worry, for age, the government will do something to enhance the age. And education department is the first department who enhanced the age from 32 to 37 years for the benefit of the contractual teachers who take time to meet the regulatory authority. After that, then the government conducted the TET, and regular appointment have also been made in all the district of the state except the Dadengiri subdivision. Question asked, why Dadengiri? Dadengiri, it happened like this because there is a leakage also 2-3 months back with a petition for condonation of age for those who have passed, and that I told I will make sure. And today I convey to them that the government will condone the age for those who are on the wrong side of the age for recruitment process. So I have conveyed to them, we have tried to do maximum possible from the government. Now as the question asked, why when the RTE is mandatory since 2010, why conduct the Mtet in 2019? We conduct because we don't want to discontinue that the service of contractual teachers will discontinue. We want that for them to attain the minimum qualification as set up by the regulatory authority, which in this case it is the NCTE. They request me that, they request the government, not me, that to consider to find ways and means. And as I said, for the last 4 years, we have tried, we have helped, and we will help in this age condonation, which under the matter of law, we will try to help. But beyond that, it is a contempt of court. From the day one, we made ample clear that we have to follow the mandatory norms which set up by the regulatory authority, and we have given time by the government, we have given time, we have condoned the extend the age limit, and now we are noting we have the government have given chance to reappear the exam. So the question of mistreating does not arise at all. Mtet exam will be conducted, but first and foremost, I am very much to complete for the roster system, so that to conduct the exam for the vacant post, because as of now is the question 2,000 plus, if I'm not mistaken, youth are waiting to enter, who have met all the qualification, are waiting to enter the teaching profession. So let's hope in the next few weeks we could able to complete the roster system and call for the applies for the post and conduct, complete the recruitment process. Not that I have committed for those Mtet who have cleared the Mtet, those contractual teachers, we will condone the age one time for them.
Till what age?
I will tell at the appropriate time. I didn't have the record with me because the representation they are giving to me list is very long, but I didn't count the number. Because even one also, if I have a way to help, I will help. Around 800 posts. Lower primary. I am position for me is secondary. I will serve in any capacity, but to tell me to resign on my own, I will not resign. Who tell what, I don't know. I will not resign, because whatever happened, it is not because what I am doing. Why should I resign? I am not the sacrificial lamb. We are working here collectively as the government to solve the issue concerning the state. So it is not like the term sacrificial lamb, but this responsibility is there. So we work together, and whatever we can, we could solve. Whatever we cannot, we are very blunt in saying that what we cannot do, we will tell. Happened yesterday, the Home Department is taking the report from the district. The Home Department is taking the report from the district administration so that we will know the true picture of what happened yesterday. Because there are two sides. One is that Section 144 is being imposed and permission to march is not being granted, and in spite of that, there is a violation. And what happened after that? What you see through Kontrak, all this thing will come up. They see the sequence of event, and then if any person violate the law, go beyond the ambit of the law. We are here not to protect anybody, but the due legal process will follow. The law enforcing agency should use minimum intervention to see that any disturbance or any incident should not create the unnecessary difficulty to anybody. So that's why I tell you, the Home Department will seek the report to know what is happened, how it happened, and what action, administrative action, is to be taken. We'll see. It is not a question of using what I tell you from the day from before that the government is seeking the report from district administration to find out and see what happened led to that tear gas, and if anybody go beyond the norms, then government will surely take action. See, announce is there, but since the deputy commissioner, the district administration does not given a permission, so we didn't expect. We are a law-abiding people. We didn't expect that they will violate what the deputy commissioner or district commissioner has said. All of that will reflect in the report. I don't get that's why I seek the report. Let the complete report. I'll speak to you.